Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chandele. If you're new here, hey girls, hey guys, how are you guys doing? And if you're whoa. Blossom just got tangled up in a bag, so sorry. Anyway, if you're a returning subscriber, hey friend, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. So today, are you okay? Today we have a little special video. I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to show you guys because this is my first time ever doing this and trying it, so I'm very excited. Kason is here with me. He's watching the video. You wanna say hi? Come say hi. He's so excited.
Hi.
Come with me back a little bit. Say hi.
Hi.
Say love you guys.
Love you guys.
Okay. So anyway, to my video. Before we get started with this video, please make sure to subscribe, join the family, like this video, and share it. I would love all the feedback in the world, and subscribing is free, so why don't you just come over and join the game. So okay, so I brought me a headband wig. I really wanted a headband wig. Don't mind your girl's hair because I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna get it together. Also, don't mind your girl broke nails today at work, so it's just giving very much ghetto. Don't judge me. So anyway, I was looking on Amazon and I really wanted a headband wig because I was just trying to find new things to do to my hair. I'm just trying to try like new stuff or whatever. So I found one on Amazon. It got like really good reviews, so I kind of wanted to give it a try. It is called Your Beauty, My Duty. And then it says something on here, 100% unprocessed human virgin hair. So here's what the box look like. She's cute. It's actually a small box. I expected it to be a little bit bigger. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that. So I bought this with my own money because I really wanted to try it out. So I'm gonna give a very honest review. It's ripped on the side, like, and I'm pretty sure this is just from like wear and tear of like the company or whatever the case may be. But like it looks like the box was like squished. Like it's just not giving very much. And it's probably, like I said, like it's probably not the company. It's probably just, you know, going through like all the transitions and stuff like that it was going through in the transits and stuff like that. So here's what the box looked like. I think it's cute. Like overall, I think like this is cute. The name is cute. On the back it has like texture, material, quality, weight, delivery time, and then it's like reviews and stuff like that. And when I looked at the reviews, it said that it had really, really good ones. So that was good. It has like a little seal at the bottom right here. It just says, this is a set, do not separate. Okay, so how the heck am I supposed to open it? I know I'm supposed to open it down here. I know I'm not crazy. I can't open it because I need a thing. I'm trying to see if I can take this off. One moment, guys. Hold on. Oh, Kason. I need my camera. Oh, never mind. I got it. Okay. So, I got the little seal off. So, I'm going to open it. Ooh, look. Ooh. Look. I got a little... There's some cute stuff in here. Okay, so I got a wig cap. The wig cap. And then I got... It come with a cute little headband. Oh, this is cute. It's a cute cheetah headband. It has like a little knot in the top, in the beginning, right there. This is cute. Little drawstrings back there. And then it comes with the hair, I think. Ooh. Here's the hair inside a little net. This one says it has like high quality on it. Has like the lady on it, high quality, and then it has like some stuff on the back. It basically says like detangle the hair gently. How to wash the wig. Detangle the hair gently. Put the hair in cool water. Rinse. Put clean hair, dry towel. Use it. Yeah. Put the other stuff. Use your fingers. Blah blah blah. So this is how it looks. Oh my god! And I got it in like. I'm trying to remember what I got. It's Virgin Water Wave headband wig, and I got this in 18 inches.
Why do I got it tangled up with the bag?
I'm so excited. Oh my god.
I don't.
It has like the little, oh, my nails. I need to get my nails done, y'all, so bad. So like they're like growing out and they're like getting stuck to everything. Ooh, oh, your girl is so excited. Okay. I feel like this might be really short on me.
Mommy, I have to phone you.
I feel like it's gonna be mad short on me. But look at it, it's like bouncy. Oh, it's cute. I feel like I could have got it longer because I want a longer one. I feel like 18 is kind of short, so I might actually send it back and order a longer size. But let's see. This I never want, like, this is too short. I just know this is gonna be too short. Yeah, I think this is gonna be way too short for me. I really want, ouch, I want it long. But it's actually cute. The hair is super soft.
The hair
Super soft. Yeah. Only thing is, like I said, like I think it's probably gonna be too short.
Yeah, I want to cut the hair too.
It also has like the clips inside right here. Can you see the clips? And this is the band right here, the headband.
But this is a headband.
I can't wait to put it on and try it. But like I said, like I might just send it back because it's not as long as I thought it was gonna be. Like I kind of want it a little bit longer. It's kind of might be a little bit short. It might like come to like right here. So we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna see if I like it and try it out and everything. But yeah, so this is the wig, and it comes with the little net, so you can put like the hair wreck in it or whatever the case may be. It's so cute. I'm literally so excited because this is my first time ever trying like a headband wig. So I can't wait to try it. So alright guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I might just post like a video on Instagram or Snapchat or whatever, so then you guys can actually see what it looks like. But I'm probably not going to put it on until your girl watches her hair. I just wanted to do this quick review for you guys. This is my first time showing you and trying a wig, so I'm excited and I can't wait to show you guys later on. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I am out. Peace.